Hey everyone, my name's Brittany Woods and welcome back to Notes 101. So as you all know, this is the first week of school. Crazy, right? Which means a brand new school year. So this might mean the start of middle or high school for some of you. So you might be a little nervous and excited at the same time. Or like me, you can be starting at a brand new school. There's always first day jitters. Trying to figure out what to wear, where to sit at lunch, where your classes are, trying to make sure everything goes perfect and nothing goes wrong. Well, things don't always go as planned. We all have embarrassing moments, and I want you to send me a video of you sharing your experience from your first week of school. It can be a strange moment, a funny moment, a scary moment, maybe you trying to ask out your crush, anything. Just send me a video at britsnotes101@gmail.com. In a couple weeks, I'll post another video of everyone sharing about their first week of school experiences. Make sure you send this video out to all of your friends so I can put as many responses on that video as possible. Thanks again for watching Notes 101. See you soon!